y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you this Get Ready With Me date night edition, and I was going for a bronzed glowy look. So yeah, let's go right ahead and show you how to do this look. So I'm mixing my Maybelline Prolong Wear Concealer with my MAC in the color 45, and I'm going to use them as my canvas for my eyeshadow. So with sandalwood, I'm just going to set that all in so that it doesn't crease, and then I'm going to use cocoa as the first shade right at the corners, and I'm not going to put them to put any color in the middle. So with henna, I'll use it as kind of like a transition shade right below my brow bone. So let's get a mixture of cocoa and black truffle and use it to kind of deepen the shade of cocoa, and then with that truffle I'm going to use it at the corners of my eye. So let's get the trust fund and use it in the middle of the eye, the space that you did not put any eyeshadow in. And I feel like this just gives me that kind of bronzed look. And to deepen that, we're going to use this Alpha Loose Glitter eyeshadow, and we'll use it to make that pop. So I went ahead and popped my lashes in. And now the next thing is using this NYX Angel Veil primer all over my face to just make sure that my foundation will stay in all night, or at least until the time I need to remove it. So the next thing I'm going to do is use my Maybelline Strobing Stick highlighter and my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm just going to use them together to give that beneath glowy look. And you know the routine, ladies, it won't blend if the sponge is not wet. So let's go ahead and get our sponges wet and just do the blending of our foundation. So to highlight, I'm going to use my Maybelline concealer in the color 45, and on the inner part of my under eye I'm going to use the color 40, and then we'll just blend these bad boys into our under eyes, on our forehead, on the bridge of our noses, and any other places that we need to highlight. I'm going to use this Airspan powder to set it in, and I'm just going to let it bake for a few minutes. And with this Fit Me foundation in the color 80, I'm going to contour my face. Make sure you blend this very well, and just keep blending whenever you're in doubt. Make sure there's no line of demarcation, and just make sure you blend it really well. After doing that, you can just dust off any excess powder that you used while baking. And also the same thing applies here, just remove any excess powder and make sure none of it is remaining to give you any sort of flashback or any sort of thing like that that's gonna ruin your makeup. Now with our mascara, we're going to blend in our natural lashes with our falsies, and then I'm still going to get my Maybelline Strobing Stick highlighter and use it at the high parts of my cheeks to give me that glowy look, and also the bridge of my nose to just bring a different kind of vibe to the whole look. Take it up a notch, I'm going to use the Elega Luminous Glow. It's an illuminating powder, kind of a highlighting powder, and I'm going to use it to just take this highlight a notch higher. So with the Joanna K Cosmetics lipsticks, I'm going to use them on my lips, and I just love the way this lipstick apply on your lips, and I love the color too, so chocolatey and just so beautiful and nudish. So I'm going to use them together. The second lighter shade, I'm going to use it to kind of create an ombre look. And now to do our hair, I enjoy using flexi rods because I feel like with flexi rods my curls can stay up all night or even all day without straightening, as opposed to using a flat iron, which is what I use when I'm not using my flexi rods. And also it is advantageous because with flexi rods you don't get to use electricity or power, and you also don't get to hurt your hair. And when I say hair, I mean weave or wigs or even your natural hair. It does not get to hurt any of that, so it's much more economic and good. Right here, my goofy sister is in the background doing her goofiness. Hi Judith. And now I'm going to use my hair mousse to just make sure that the curls will pop. And that's it for the look today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe, and even hit the bell down below to make sure that every time I upload a video you get a notification. So thank you guys. Also share this with your friends, your family members, and anyone else that you can find to share with. Thank you and goodbye. Mwah.